We have a breaking news. Tesla is basically shutting down its operations, suspending operations, and explaining how touchless delivery will work. Will continue to deliver cars touchlessly. Hello everyone. In this breaking news, the Tesla electric car maker announced today, just an hour or two ago, that it will temporarily suspend production at its Fremont, California factory at the end of the day on March 23rd. Tesla said basic operations at the plant would continue to support our vehicle and energy service operations and charging infrastructures as directed by the local, state, and federal authorities. The company announced it also trying to implement quote-unquote touchless deliveries in certain locations, reducing contact with Tesla workers during this time of uncertainty. After I read for you the Tesla's statement, I will explain in detail how touchless delivery is going to work and how your Model Y and Model S and Model 3 are going to still be delivered. Now I'm going to read Tesla's statement on operational update. In these past few days, we have met with local, state, and federal officials. We have followed and are continuing to follow all legal directions and safety guidelines with respect to the operations of our facilities, and have honored the federal government's directions to continue operating. Despite taking all known health precautions, continued operations in certain locations has caused challenges for our employees, their families, and our suppliers. As such, we have decided to temporarily suspend production at our factory in Fremont from end of the day, March 23, which will allow an orderly shutdown. Basic operations will continue in order to support our vehicle and energy service operations and charging infrastructure as directed by the local, state, and federal authorities. Our factory in New York will temporarily suspend production as well, except for those parts and supplies necessary for service, infrastructure, and critical supply chains. Operations of our other facilities will continue, including Nevada and our service and supercharging network. In many locations, we are in the process of implementing touchless deliveries, so customers can continue to take delivery of their vehicle in a seamless and safe way. Due to the unique over-the-air connectivity of our vehicles, customers are able to unlock their new cars at a delivery parking lot via the Tesla app, sign any remaining relevant paperwork that has been placed in their car, and return that paperwork to an on-site drop-off location prior to leaving. This method provides additional convenience and comfort. Our cash position at the end of Q4 2019 was $6.3 billion before our recent $2.3 billion capital raise. We believe this level of liquidity is sufficient to successfully navigate an extended period of uncertainty. At the end of Q4 2019, we had available credit lines worth approximately $3 billion, including working capital lines for all regional as well as financing for all regions, as well as financing for the expansion of our Shanghai factory. This ends the Tesla statement on the status of its operations. But let me explain how the touchless delivery is going to work, because we have here two issues. the Tesla orderly shutdown, and also the employees, their families, how they're going to feed their families, and also the touchless deliveries. So Tesla said that you will need that Tesla app to start the process. When you receive the notification that your Model Y, Model S, or Model 3 has arrived, you will go to the pickup location, which is probably Tesla showroom in your city. They are doing these touchless deliveries in many locations, the statement said. You will unlock your car through the Tesla app, and then you will be able to sign the papers and then drop them off at the drop-off location in the Tesla showroom. Tesla said this will create comfort and additional convenience to their customers and for their employees. So those people who have been waiting anxiously for their Tesla Model Y to arrive, and Model Y's deliveries have been making huge news in the Tesla communities, Tesla enthusiasts and EV communities, your cars will still be delivered on time because of touchless deliveries that Tesla is implementing. As some of you may know, California's Alameda County, where the vehicle factory is based, is one of the 6 covered by an order from regional officials to quote-unquote shelter in place, which limits activity, travel, and business functions to only the most essential and advises people to stay home except for the most crucial reasons. The county sheriff's office said on Tuesday afternoon Tesla was not considered an essential business and cannot continue to operate its factory normally. Tesla said that they have been receiving conflicting information about this. Tesla said on Thursday it would continue basic operations at the Fremont factory in compliance with the order to support vehicle and energy services and charging infrastructures. If some of you may remember, in an earlier report, I today shared with you the email from the company's North American head of human resources, Valerie Workman, to employees, which said Tesla would rearrange operations as much as possible to enable social distancing, allowing people to keep 6 feet apart. Masks would also be distributed to workers throughout the day, the email promised. Workman also reiterated that despite the virus, Tesla is still operating its factories. Quote, essential, unquote, employees should still report to work, and that Tesla sees its business as part of, quote, national critical infrastructure, end of the quote. So dear friends, we are in this situation. We have what we have. If you notice, Tesla's statement said suspending operations, but in the middle of the statement, Tesla said an orderly shutdown. So Tesla is basically shutting down its operations in Fremont, California, and in New York. My heart goes out to all the people who work there, and not only them, but also in many, many companies around the nation, that their companies are shutting down. And I hope that these people will have enough salaries and enough financial helps to support their families and to feed their families. This is important. We should care about this issue, and we should not forget that we are human beings and our humanity should not be forgotten. So let me know what you think. If you are concerned about your deliveries, like I said about the Model Y or Model 3, they will be coming through touchless delivery. And I tried to explain in this video how that is going to work. If we have any questions or concerns, please write them in the comment section and let's discuss them. One of the questions is about the employees. How many employees will be able to replace in other locations? Because I also read in the news that some employees from Fremont will be able to replace to other essential functions, including probably relocate to Nevada where they need some workers. But how can you relocate the entire people? So a lot of people will probably have to stay home for an uncertain period of time until there is news about this coronavirus and the country and the world can go back to normal. I don't know how life will go back to normal because the world has become different because of this uncertainty, because of this situation that we are in. Let's discuss everything in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell because I'm going to keep updating you on these things. Speaking of updates, if you would like to support our channel, please consider making a donation. I will post a PayPal link in the comments section below. And also please like this video to show your appreciation of all the people involved in collecting, gathering, and putting this information together and helping me to present it to you. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day and stay safe. See you in the next video.